I'm setting down this 6x8 beams going across, and I'm burning it. And then what I'm doing after I burn it, it's good for the environment. You're not using that creosote crap and whatever else chemical they got in there. This actually will stop the termites more than that stuff will over a longer period of time. After I get done with this, I'll soak it with oil, and then I'll hit it again with the torch. Let the oil soak into it, and then put it up like that, and then do the sides. We're hooking up with what kind of torch, Angel? It's a big rosebud torch, roofing torch. Probably tomorrow, but at least I can get the bottoms down. We made the pads for the concrete because, as we know, concrete and wood don't go together too well. So we got our little rubber booties on, and we're setting them in. We're drilling out the holes. What I'm going to have to do is take some hole saw bits and go over these so I can. These are about 7.5 inches and these are 8 inches, so I gotta go down probably about 1.5 inches with a hole saw. And as long as they're centered on these concrete pillars, we're good to go. The first one came out nice, so I just gotta lift it up, hit the hole saw, put it down, put the washer on, and bolt it down. This way it'll be below when I go to do my floor, my A's. When I go to put my A's up, these won't even bother me where I'm going to mark them and put them at. Other than that, the other side's done. Sorry I didn't get to show you that. It's just been really hot out here. We're dealing with 90s today, so it's getting pretty hot. I had to take this one off and put it on the mill because they curved on me. They've been sitting all winter long. I cut these probably, I guess, October. Yeah, I cut these on the mill probably in October, so. But they were down trees, but who knows how long they were down. They could have been down for a year. The trees around here just die and then they fall. So, you know, best chance to do is just cut into it and see what you get. But other than that, yeah, that's it. First one's done. Everything's coming out good. Everything's level. We put the level on. I didn't even touch it yet. Put the level on there and she's all level. So, we'll see what happens when we bolt her down and get her all set up. I'm gonna do the whole front first. I know it's kind of monotonous, but it's the easiest for us first right now. This row and this row, I don't think we'll have an issue till we get to the back. But you know, I'm just working with 1.5 men here, so you know what I mean. You're not gonna hear it tonight. But anyway, that's it. I just burn it, and after I get done burning it, I'll coat it with some used motor oil from the bucket trucks. So let it soak in a little bit, and then hit it again with the torch, and it just it's really cool. I'll have to get Gina with the camera here. It bubbles up and then it just soaks right in, so it's actually pretty cool. Yeah, I can sit here with a paintbrush and put on the green crap, but you know, it'll take me forever. And then you're looking at chemicals all over your hand. Now you're dealing with the crap, and you know, I don't even want to deal with that. I'll just burn it like this, and this way it lasts 50 to 100 years. You see cabins that are built like this, and they burn the wood to keep the termites and everything and the rot away. So this is actually a pretty good deal, I think. Everybody else is doing it too, that I know of, all the old timers anyways. But other than that, I'm getting back to burning. serious, man. This shit is so tough. Drilled out 3/4 inch hole. You filming this? Got 3/4 inch bolts. Lined them up. Bolting them down and leveling them off. That's it.
It's the last one, guys. Sorry I kept you from it.
Now this little guy. You want to grab me a block?
Yep.
Yes, Mom. Yes, Mom. You want it on that side?
Just wherever you want it.
All right, me. Oh, looks like we got lift today. All right. Got that wood underneath? Thank you, my darling.
Ew.
I don't want to doink my hand. We're just burning the top section so we can get these on top of the columns for tonight. It's getting pretty late. Gina's going to burn each column while I take a little break for her to work. And then we're going to try and lift it up there. You're looking at 30, you're probably looking at maybe 50 inches. About 42 inches. 800 pounds of 42 inches. That's oak. That's solid. Let's come down here and hold this in. Let me try and get this dog up here, hopefully. I'm lucky. My underwear don't fall down. Only the flops in here.
You want this one?
A prayer or... No, I'm sorry.
There's the other one behind you.
Love the convenience of grocery delivery, but worried about someone else shopping for you? With Walmart Pickup and Delivery, you can pre-select your product substitution.
Got it.
So you get exactly what you want and can make the most of this beautiful day. Even if your favorite coffee pods aren't available in a 12-pack, you can substitute them for a 24-pack, because nothing will get between you and your morning coffee. Tap here to shop Walmart today.
Woo!
Walmart isn't the store with everything. It's the store with your thing.
Oh, Lord have
Your
mercy.
plans can change
Last
in minutes.
one.
With moderate to severe ulcerative colitis or Crohn's, your head wants to do one thing, but your gut says, not today.